What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress not sending emails by checking and correcting your email settings inside of cPanel. If you're not receiving password reset emails, contact form messages, order notifications, or any other emails from WordPress, this is a very common issue. In most cases, it comes down to incorrect email routing on the server or WordPress not being properly configured to send mail using SMTP. The good news is both of these can be fixed directly inside of cPanel. And this is another area where RackNerd cPanel hosting really helps. With built-in email tools and flexible routing options, you can quickly diagnose and fix the email delivery problems without guessing. If you're not hosting with us yet, check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress management reliable, simple, and secure. Now, before we begin, I will mention that email issues are one of the most common WordPress support questions. Today, we're walking through two key things you need to check: your email routing settings in cPanel and proper SMTP configuration in WordPress. All right, let's dive into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the email section and click on email routing. On the email routing page, you'll see a list of domains associated with your hosting account. Click on the domain that your WordPress site uses for sending email. Now look at the available routing options. In most hosting setups, you'll want local mail exchanger selected if your email accounts are hosted inside of cPanel. If your email is hosted with an external provider like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, then remote mail exchanger should be selected instead. Choose the option that matches where your email is actually hosted. Then click Change to save the setting. Incorrect routing here is one of the most common reasons WordPress emails fail to send. Next, let's make sure that WordPress itself is sending email correctly. While WordPress can use the default PHP mail function, using SMTP is far more reliable. Log into the WordPress dashboard, install an SMTP plugin if you don't already have one, enter the email address you want your WordPress to send from, along with the SMTP server details provided by your email service. If you're using RackNerd email, this will typically include the mail server hostname, the email account username, and the email password, and the correct port number. Enable authentication and encryption if available, and then save the settings. Most SMTP plugins include a test email feature. Use it to send a test message and confirm that it arrives in your inbox. If the test email works, WordPress emails should now send reliably going forward. After that, check your spam folder just in case and make sure that the from email address in the WordPress matches a real mailbox on your domain. And that's it. You have now successfully fixed WordPress email delivery issues by correcting your email routing in cPanel and configuring SMTP properly. Once these two pieces are set up correctly, WordPress emails like password resets and contact form messages should start working again. This is another great example of how RackNerd cPanel hosting gives you full control over both your website and your email setup. With the right settings in place, you can avoid missed messages and ensure reliable email delivery. If you're looking for dependable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress tutorials just like this one. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I will see you again in the next video.